Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a very special treat, one of my favorite desserts I love to make. So I've already added 3 ripe bananas and 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil to my bowl. I then add 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup to sweeten it and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I like to keep my wet ingredients separate from my dry ingredients. To my dry ingredients, I add 1 cup of unbleached all-purpose flour and 1 1/4 of a cup of rolled oats. I eyeballed this, but 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and I lightly mix the ingredients in my dry bowl. Then, when I combined the wet and dry ingredients, I like to gradually add the dry ingredients. After I add the dry ingredients, I increase the speed of my mixer and I mix it for about 2 minutes until it's extremely fluffy. I use a spoon to clean up the sides, and then I just briefly mix it again to make sure that everything was combined evenly. Now the best part, I add fresh or frozen blueberries into the mixture, but I do not mix it because I don't want to crush the blueberries, so I fold them in, and then after I greased my pan with coconut oil, I put the mixture in the pan and I add the extra blueberries on top to give it some decoration, and I sprinkle rolled oats on top to give it that nice crusty layer. And then I put it in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. And there you go. Thanks for watching.